Yo guys, welcome to the first video on the channel, and if you guys want a desktop that looks something like this, stay tuned. So the first step you guys want to take is personalization, and I will show you exactly how to do that and how to go about it. You want a desktop that feels like you made it. You want your own custom things within it, and you want to know that it's yours. Make something stand out, make it relate to what you like. That is the biggest thing you can do with a desktop, and the biggest thing that makes it just yours itself. So your guys' desktop should look something along these lines, and if it does look like this, do not worry, it's really easy to just mess with. Now the first step is that you want to go to your internet browser. I will be using Google as an example of this, and you want to find something you like. So for example, a series that I like is Tokyo Ghoul. It is an anime series and it's really good. I recommend you guys go watch it if you haven't already. Now what you guys want to do is go to images, and you want to look for a picture that stands out. Now I recommend picking a picture that kind of follows a certain color pattern. So for example, mine, as you could see before, is red, white and black. Now you guys want to kind of mix that with whatever background you're choosing. That's going to be the base and the foundation of your desktop. So as you can see, there's multiple images to choose from. You should be aiming to go 1920 by 1080, but in most cases anything under that usually isn't the best, but you can get away with it. Now after you found that image that you like and it's of a good high quality and it's preferably 920 by 1080, what you guys want to do is right click onto your desktop and you want to press personalize. From here you guys want to go to browse and you want to select the image that you have chosen to be your desktop image. So for example, this is going to be mine just for the purpose of this video, but it is mine in general anyway. And then after you guys have done that, you may want to change the colors. Now a lot of the colors on Windows are set to really weird stuff. So for example, when I first reset my PC a few days ago, it was set to purple. Now purple just did not fit this theme and it was horrible. So you guys want to make sure that you tick a color that matches your background color. So for example, like I said before, mine is red, black and white, so I'll select the red color as it's the most vibrant and stands out the most. Also, you guys want to make sure that here in the options of light, dark and custom that you guys select dark. It just gives a better aesthetical look to your desktop and just makes it less harsh on your eyes. From here you guys can also go to the fonts and mess with how your font looks, which I don't recommend doing, but if you really do want to do, you can do that. And another thing you guys can do while you're here is take a look at the taskbar. Now the taskbar can be positioned in multiple points around the screen. As you can see, you can locate at the top, you can locate on the left side, the right side and the bottom. For this tutorial I'm going to be putting it at the bottom, as I know most of you guys are going to be doing that as well. And that's all you guys have to do for the first step of the personalization. The second biggest step to take when making a desktop is how clean it is. You don't want folders everywhere. You want it to be nice and compact and tidy. You want everything to be accessible and everything to just look tidy and clean, like I've already said. So I will also show you how to do that next. So the next step you guys want to take is to make your desktop just look cleaner. Now to do this, you can simply right click on your desktop, go to view, and then you guys want to press show desktop icons. You want to make sure this is unticked and you won't be able to see anything on your desktop. This just makes it far easier on the eyes and just makes it look far cleaner. Now another way to make your desktop even nicer is to download the Transparent TB app. Now this can be found in the Microsoft Store. You simply want to find the Microsoft Store by searching it in the bottom left, or the bottom right, or the top right, or the top left, depending on where yours is. And you just want to put trans and it should come up pretty easy. Like you can see, it pops up and you guys just want to download this and actually get it. Now once you've got it, it's really easy to use. All you want to do is launch it. Now for you guys, when you first launch it, it'll ask you to agree to something. You literally press agree and that's it. And now you can see the actual taskbar itself is now transparent and looks far better and far cleaner. And now for the last step of the cleaning of your desktop it's just so simple and you will thank me later, trust me. What you guys want to do is come here and right click on your taskbar, and you want to make sure that the taskbar is not locked. Make sure this is unticked. After that, you guys want to go to search and you want to make sure that it's on hidden. This basically means you will not see the search option there, you won't see anything, it will just look far cleaner. As you can see, if I was to type here, you can still find whatever you want. After you've done this, you want to go to toolbars and links. Now this is optional, but for some people you may just prefer to do this. So what you want to do is grab the right side and you want to drag it in like so and push it all the way. After you've done that, you'll realise that all your apps go to the right. All you want to do from here is drag this one and just keep dragging it until it's centered with the screen. And keep in mind that it does put it slightly more to the left after you stop doing that. So if I were to close this app now, you can see if I then lock the taskbar, it's pretty much centered. That's just me doing it roughly for you guys, but you can see it's centered and it just looks far cleaner. So you guys may be asking now, how do I get these icons in the top left corner that you can see on my screen? Obviously you guys don't want a mash of colours within the taskbar that just completely throws off your whole colour palette. And now with that being said, it is really easy to change the icon of an app, and I will show you how to do it right now. Alright, this is the very last app for you guys, and it's really easy to do. To change an icon, all you need is an icon file. Now if you guys have an image that you want to use and it's just a normal image file, I'll leave a converter down below where you guys can convert it into an icon file. It is a trusted source and I have used it myself. Now with the icons on the bottom that you guys can see, these were created by someone else. I forgot the name, so I'll link him down below. He's a great creator and you guys should go and check him out. He kind of inspired this video, but at the same time I've included some things in this video that he didn't include, which is why I felt like uploading it. Anyway, without further ado, I'll get into it and I'll leave the download for these down below. So once you've got an icon file that you want to use and you want to replace with your old one, all you guys need to do is simply click on whatever you want to change. So you right click and you guys want to go to the File Explorer, you'll see it here. And then it'll be different with everyone, let me explain. So if you right click on it, you'll see the app here within the first 3 lines. So obviously this is the File Explorer app, so I right click on this and go to properties. After you've done that, you just want to press change icon and select the icon from your downloads that you want to use. For example, this one's a File Explorer, so I'll use the File Explorer icon. After you've done that, press OK and then press apply and OK again. That is all you guys have to do with every single app that you want to change. I recommend only changing the one on the taskbar unless you've still got your view option on for the desktop icons. But if you follow the tutorial, hopefully you turn that off just to make your desktop look nicer. Thanks a lot for watching guys, that's all you have to do, and if you did like, please like and subscribe. It just helps me out so much, and then I can know what content to put out for you guys, and basically I know what you guys like. This is my first video on the channel, so if you guys could leave a lot of love and support so I can carry on doing these kind of videos, it would mean a lot to me. But apart from that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.